In this video, we'll show you what to do if you are getting this NVIDIA installation error code while trying to install the app on your PC. So the first thing you need to do is head to the search menu and then type appwiz.cpl. Now select the first result that appears. So this will basically open the control panel window from where you can uninstall any previous versions of the NVIDIA app. So scroll down and see if you find any entries with the name NVIDIA on it. If you do find them, simply click on this uninstall option and then follow the on-screen prompts to uninstall the NVIDIA app completely. Finally, to confirm, we'll just right click on the start icon and then go to Task Manager on the list. Now in the Task Manager window, head to the Processes tab and search for NVIDIA. Once the app is uninstalled completely, you should no longer see any background processes or apps named NVIDIA. Once you have done that, try installing the NVIDIA app one more time and see if it works. However, if you still experience problems, what you need to do is open up your web browser and then search for NVIDIA driver download. Now select this first link that appears. Now here you will need to search for your driver manually. If you don't know which NVIDIA driver you have, simply open the device manager from the search menu. Now in the device manager window, you'll need to expand display adapters and here you will see the name of the driver that you have installed. So in my case, it's NVIDIA RTX 4050. So I'll just use that to search for it. Once you have entered all the details, select this find button. Now here you will need to download the latest driver from this website. So simply select this view option and then finally hit this download button right here to download the driver. Once you have downloaded the NVIDIA driver, simply double click it. Now select OK to confirm. Now here during the installation, it will ask you if you only want to install the driver or install the driver as well as the NVIDIA app. So select this first option and then follow the on-screen prompts. Once you do this, the NVIDIA app will be installed on your PC and you should be able to use it without any problems.